Once upon a time, there was a prophecy known as the One, which spoke of the emergence of a great empire never before seen. Skudaipura was a great empire. Once, in this utopian land, respect for one's fellow man was the driving force of this civilization. Living in peace and harmony, the people of Skudaipura focused on the constant pursuit of knowledge, leading their time with the most advanced economy, the highest standard of living, and the most advanced technology. However, they kept a low profile and avoid getting entangled in the politics and administration of the world around them. Later, a group of anarchists broke away from the Skudaipura Empire and ventured out into the world to share the knowledge that the Skudaipura had kept to themselves for thousands of years. With the help of the group of anarchists, humans advanced with technology, using their knowledge for war and power. Then, the inhabitants decided to disappear from the world for fear of the destruction that would result from humans misusing their newfound knowledge. Afterwards, they head in 2011, Steampunk. (2014) Pirate. (2087) Cyberpunk. Unfortunately, the cyberpunk era of 2087 took an unexpected turn. As technology proliferated and the world progressed, human greed could not be satisfied. Thus began the war. And created the destruction of the world. At this point, to solve this problem, twins emerged. These twins were called the spiritual warriors. They took charge and used their resources to create a gateway to a new world, Arcadia. This is a land of simple pleasures, a place of rustic innocence. The human who survived learned their lesson. Today, they have adopted a new way of thinking, applying knowledge of the future in order to maintain stability and balance in this parallel world.